Strategic military bases on Guam. Did you know that there are military bases on Guam? Most people don't know that this island territory of the United States has one of the most strategic locations in the world. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, it's a vital part of the U.S. military's global network. Guam is home to two major military bases, the Naval Base in the south and Andersen Air Force Base in the north. These bases are used by the U.S. military for a variety of purposes, including as a hub for military aircraft and ships. The Naval Base also serves as a submarine base and is home to the headquarters of the Third Fleet. The presence of these military bases has a significant impact on the local economy. They provide jobs and other economic opportunities for the people of Guam. However, the military bases have also been the subject of much controversy. Critics argue that they are a relic of the Cold War era, and that their continued presence on the island is no longer necessary. What do you think? Should the U.S. military bases on Guam be removed? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more videos.